Grandma's right here. Hi. Say hi, Grandma. Hello. Yeah? Playing with the water.
What?
Uh-huh. Sit down. No, 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 no. Sit down. Sit down, honey. Good boy. Good boy. This is Lance. And his daddy just went back to San Diego. Mika's in the other room. And they just got in from Alaska a couple days ago. Yeah, and Grandma's giving him a bath because we just got back from the beach. Keep it in there, honey. Keep the water in there. No, keep the water in there. Atta boy. It's getting pretty deep. I need to take some out. Thank you. Thank you, honey. I need to take some water out. It's getting pretty deep.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
That's so fun.
Can you say okay? Can you say okay? Oh. Say okay. I love it. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma, honey.